Hi guys, today I'm headed out for a Sunday undiyu brunch and it's a beautiful afternoon, beautiful morning, which is why I have pulled out my favorite new silver tissue sari. I think silver is the perfect kind of metallic to wear for a daytime event and I'm very excited about styling this. So I'm starting with my dress and I know you're wondering कि अभी तो साड़ी बोला था अभी dress में आ गई, but you'll see. I'm hoping that it all come together very beautifully. Now for my shoes. Now for my petticoat, yes, I'm using the dress as a blouse and I'm going to drape my beautiful silver tissue sari on top of this dress. I am draping the sari as a regular sari. I'm not experimenting too much with the drape. But wait, this is not it. I'm going to add another layer to it. I'm adding a black color waistcoat. Now you must be wondering why. Is it necessary? Is it needed? Not needed, but it adds so much drama and shape. Well, but I'm not stopping here either. There's another layer to go. Now I'm adding this sparkly, beautiful belt because it adds texture, shimmer, shine, and adds more shape. Now for my beautiful Maharani Bagh jewelry, such statement silver earrings, silver bangles, and my look is complete. I totally enjoyed my afternoon in this look, got loads of compliments. I hope you enjoyed this too. The sari is available on Dori. Do visit the website. I'll see you soon. Bye.